What's up? Welcome back to Small Cap Recap. I'm Trader Bryce, and today I'm back. I know I put one out on Monday, and I didn't get one out on Tuesday or Wednesday. I unexpectedly got really busy on Wednesday afternoon, and Tuesday I don't remember. I have a reason for it, and I don't know why, but today's Thursday, and you get to see my beautiful face. You get to see some beautiful movers from today, and we're going to go over and break down why some of these worked, and unfortunately, we're going to also go and break down why the trade I decided to take today did not work nearly as well, but that's okay. It is what it is, you know what I mean? But no, let me know down in the chat down in the comments below. So I've been doing, we're going live every morning in Small Cap Rockets, and I'm just so used to let me know if you can hear me down in the chat, and just making sure my mic works and everything. But anyhow, yeah, let me know down in the comments below how you did today, if you got to take advantage of any of the runners. And without further ado, don't mind my, I don't even think this isn't even straight, like it's diagonal. Don't mind how I look, just look at the charts. The charts look a lot better than my hair. So let's dig on in. HKD I was looking at for a first green day today. I bought at this $48 break right here, risking 45. We got a nice push up to 53. However, I was looking for 60 plus and just didn't get anything out of it. We had one massive seller right here. This was actually 11,000 shares were sold directly at $46. So this was mostly one large seller. I actually got very confident. I didn't add or anything, but once we perked back up on low volume, if this broke out, I was ready to take it to like 70. It just didn't re-break out and it fell, so I was risking 45 bucks. Sold on that $45 break right here, and you know what? It is what it is. I had very small size because the risk was pretty wide. My goal was actually to see if we could get some consolidation up around 49 or 50, where I could add some actual size into this trade. I just didn't do that, so it is what it is. I have lately been taking about one trade a day at the most, and I'm focusing on those first green days right now. Unfortunately, I missed AMV, which I've been watching for a while now. I was watching, literally by the time I saw it, it was already halted right here, and I did not see this going to 31. I can tell you that much. And truthfully, had I gotten into this, I would have sold right out of the halt anyways, and then probably been even more pissed that I missed the move to 31. Like just halt machine. So this is a great first green day. This has been on my watch list for quite some time now. And yeah, really nice first green day. It failed a first green day attempt. Was it this day right here? Failed that first green day attempt and definitely made me a bit skeptical, but really, really nice move today nonetheless. We had some members in Small Cap Rockets, I believe, that actually hit this. So yeah, nice move there. We had PEGY. Now, PEGY was an absolute, this has been, here. This has been quite the mover lately. It's kind of been a gap machine. And I mean, literally coming down from 70 cents all the way up to 450. This will be a great first green day watch in a few days after we get that dump. However, for the time being, this thing is closing at highs. It broke through that high a day, squeezed out people at the end of the day. This is not a chart I would want to be short. I know a couple of people who were short this today. I'm like, man, you guys are crazy. You guys are crazy with all this momentum that's been in the market, like especially after FNGR the other day. Really nice trend break right here, and even a little bit of a micro trend right here. Wouldn't have been a bad 380 buy, ripped up to 490, just about $5 at the end of the day. Really, really nice close, which is one thing I'm really liking about this market. We're going to see with GGE as well. The power hour has been powerful, right? I mean, GGE had a nice gap, and this, it just held, it based all day. I was completely off my radar. I don't know why I wasn't keeping an eye on it. I love this. This is shout out to my boy Dan Irish. Dan Irish loves these style of trades where we get that gap and then we just dump but consolidate the entire day on almost no volume. There's little perks, and then we get that breakout. I mean, this was probably the cleanest trade you could have taken through like 111, and just straight up monster, now up over $2. This was a great move. We also had SNTI today, another one that's been a multi-day runner. Now, I personally am not a huge fan, right, of these, there we go. I'm not a huge fan of these SPACs that got super beaten down, but SNTI has been a really powerful move. And the reason I'll show you this circled in here, it's a very similar volume pattern, right? Where we have this one big day, one big push, and then it has been subsequently followed by accumulation and then just fade off. And then same thing here, one big push, volume dies off. The difference here, right, was that we had this one big push, volume died off, but it was holding up. That was why I circled these. And we then had another big day. This could very well keep running, right? It's literally doing that same volume pattern right down here. One more big volume day could be very, very interesting here. Now, that also, let me get rid of these drawings quick. It's getting a bit extended. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 straight green days in a row, right? And that's one thing that just scares me a bit. It's in need of a red day, but that doesn't mean it needs to come tomorrow, right? That red day could come in 2 weeks for all we know. So this was another great trade, a nice little third day surge move here, of course, too. We had this one day, consolidating your high a day here. I just haven't been a big fan of these SPACs that just drained out and are now bouncing. They just have been a little bit tough to trade in my opinion, but that doesn't mean there's not opportunity there. A couple other ones I'm just looking at right now on the high a day, or the new high, or top percent gainer scanner. We had NVIV run here at the end of the day. This literally just out of nowhere on no news either. Ran from like 450s, hit a high of $9. Very, very low volume though. So this could be an interesting one to watch. Let's take a look at that daily chart quick. More or less just a first green day. Wouldn't surprise me if we see a day 2 tomorrow. I'd love for this to hold like $6 on some volume, get some actual volume coming through. That volume is wrong. It's about 500,000 shares traded, so about equal to this. If we could get some volume in the morning tomorrow and get a nice consolidation between $6 and $7, could very well turn into a nice day 2 trade. So another one to keep an eye on here for sure. But anyways, those are the charts that I was looking at today, and those were some of the strongest movers. So yeah, that's about it. That's really all I've got. Pretty basic stuff today. We've got a really nice market right now. A lot of momentum. Unfortunately, like I said, I've just been trading the first green days, which since we're seeing a lot of multi-day runs starting right now, those first green days are likely going to keep coming over the next few days, next week or two, which is what I'm personally watching for. Although now that we're seeing a lot of power hour confirmation, that might be my confirmation now to be able to go and start trading power hour moves on these gappers as well. I just need to see that consistent continuation, which we're seeing right now, which is amazing. So, like I said, down in the comments, let me know how you traded today, how your week is going, how your October is going so far. Tomorrow is the end of the first full week of the month, so pretty cool. And of course, always drop a like, drop a subscription, subscribe to the channel and whatnot. And like I said, hey, I've said it earlier this episode. I'm still drinking coffee right now, by the way. The market closed like 30 minutes ago. I'm still drinking coffee, if you can't tell. Talking like a madman, talking fast, talking powerful. No, like I said though, we're going live every morning in Small Cap Rockets right now. If you guys want that live commentary, this live trading, live what I'm looking at in the mornings, there's a trial right down below. Hop in. If you don't like it, it's just a trial. And if you do find value in it, maybe you can be one of our other Small Cap Rockets members. That we've had some great traders crushing in here lately. So I love to see it. Really happy. And yeah, check out that trial down below and trade live with me for the first 30, 45 minutes of every market open. Anyhow, I'm going to go head on out of here and probably stop drinking caffeine for the time being. So thank you guys for watching today. Much appreciated. And I will see you tomorrow for tomorrow's end of the week small cap recap. Peace out, everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for being a part of the StocksToTrade family. We just hit 100,000 subscribers, but our goal by the end of this year is to get 150,000 new family members a part of our channel. So if you haven't already, be sure to hit that like button, comment down below, hit the subscribe button, and maybe even turn on your post notifications. We cannot do this without your guys' support. So thank you so much. And if you want to see more of what we're doing, again, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment down below. We'll see you in the next video.